Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, welcome to Get Veganized. I'm Chef Bugsy. Today we're going to make a no-tuna chickpea salad. Alright, let's get started. Okay, to start this recipe off today, I'm going to use 1 cup of chickpeas. And I'm going to mash them with a potato masher. This is how you want them to look. Not totally mashed up so it's a paste, but leave some chunks in there. Okay, here I have celery, onion, and green pepper that I'm going to put in my mixture. We'll start with the onion. And we want to mince it. Now, same with the green pepper. Cut it small, be careful, and mince it. Finally, we'll cut up the celery. I use a small piece. I want to cut this small as well. The next ingredient I will add are some capers, and I like to crush them up just a little bit, so I will cut them up on the board here. Now I'll add some relish, about a teaspoon there. Now I'll add some hydrated or rehydrated seaweed to give it the fishy flavor, the tuna fish fishy flavor. Now, because I like mine a little spicy, I'm going to add some sriracha Veganized. You can use regular vegan mayonnaise as well. Looks like I'm going to have to use some regular mayonnaise with this. Okay, now we've stirred it up. Make sure everything gets incorporated. Doesn't that look good? Alrighty, I'll be right back. Plate it up and give it a taste. Alright, and here's the finished product. Looks pretty much like a tuna salad to me. Let's give it a taste. That's really good. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.